Hello, friends. Welcome back to Thoughts on Roller Coaster Rides. Quite often, we all listen to people telling that they are in bad relationship, that their spouse don't love them, that their friends don't care for them, that they are not wanted, not liked by anyone, that their boyfriend or girlfriend is cheating on them. No one is bothered about their existence, and so on the list goes. Listening to this over a long period of time from so many of those around me, I thought what could be the reason behind so many of us talking about the same issues, and then I decided to search for a probable solution to this problem. Unsure of whether this is actually a problem or just how the mind is playing around one's emotion, and it may be that I am not completely correct as I am no expert. But still, I believe that the reason for all this problem is we. Yes, we ourselves are the main cause of these situations. Maybe because we have not set our priorities right. Maybe because we never kept ourselves as a priority. Maybe because we have always tried to find happiness in people around us and never from within us. Maybe because we have attached ourselves to others to such an extent that now it's up to them to make us or break us. All these, I feel, are the primary reasons for your unhappiness or for attracting such negative behavior from people around you. But here, let me make it very clear to all of you that I do not intend to say that you detach yourself from all or don't get involved in any relationship. But my whole point is to maintain a balance on how much love and respect you are getting from that relationship and how much you are putting in it. If that balances out, it is awesome. And I am sure any situation like above will never come your way. But if there's a huge difference between the two, then you're either already experiencing the above situations or soon going to face one. Friends, love and respect are two very small words, but they weigh a lot. Understand its meaning to the core, not superficially. Only then you will understand its worth. Try to follow and practice these words and see how much these are followed and practiced by those around you when they are with you. And then compare how much you are receiving and how much is being given by you. On that basis, you can categorize people around you. There are definitely few people in our lives who shower their love and respect on us. Recognize them, value them. They are the people who will always be with you in your thick and thins. Give them the same kind of love and respect as they are giving to you. But for the other category of people who neither loves you nor respects you, well, you know what you have to do with them. Completely eliminate them from your life. Yes, it's like all delete if you understand that better. They are not worth your time, your love, affection, and respect. Don't ever think about them, as even thinking about them may be just wasting your time on some kind of trash. They are good riddance. And friends, I do understand that doing this will be tough for you in the beginning. But then, nothing is easy, right? And remember this, you are doing this to improve your self worth. And believe me, once you start recognizing and eliminating these sort of unwanted people from your life, you'll be left with only those few who are worth staying with and who are those precious gems of your life who'll also stay with you and for you. They are worthy of your time, your attention, your love, and your respect. They will value your love and respect. Definitely, you'll have a beautiful life ahead to spend with the beautiful people around you. who'll always surround you with their soft comfort of love, pampering, respect, and care. So, in a nutshell, if you want to experience this warmth in all your relationship, just start eliminating all those who were not worth it. Start doing this from today. In fact, from this very moment. And do let me know in the comment below if it worked for you and you are hearing less negative thoughts in your my head now. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more doses of positivity, self worth, self care, self love, and relaxation for your mind. Till we meet next, take care and love yourself. Ta da!